So we are in North Chailey today, and I've got a fantastic 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom detached home to show you. It's on a really generous southeast facing plot. This is Oakwood. Let's go and take a look. So we're in the reception room. This is a lovely big space. You've got these wonderful wooden floors. You've got a log burner for those cosy winter nights, and you've got this fantastic view onto your southeast facing garden. So the kitchen here has been extended. It's very spacious, very, very bright. You've got all the usual appliances, lots and lots of storage, as you can see. There's also a utility room and a further room off that as well. So you can hide away all those bits and pieces that you don't want on show. So as we go upstairs, we've got 4 double bedrooms and 2 bathrooms off this really, really light, airy gallery landing. There is space for everyone here in this home. So there we go. This is Oakwood here in North Chailey. Wonderful detached 4-bedroom family home and a generous plot. If you know somebody or are interested in yourself and come to see this home, give me a call. Let's have a chat. I'd love to show you around.